Sorry guys. Alright. This is my big breakthrough. As of today, no, not today, last night, I was with my mom working. She works at the police department in Blackwell, Oklahoma. If you don't know where that is, Google it, Bing it, whatever, I don't know. But last night, when we got home, I got told that I could make a demo. So I'm like, alright, yeah, let's do it. Alright, so me and my ex-girlfriend are talking about it, because she's the one gonna be making the demo. She wants me in it with her. She wants me to help sing a duet. She told me that she wanted me to make a couple of songs that I wanted on there, not she, but myself, that I wanted on there. So I'm like, okay, so I'm making song lyrics. I have 15 different songs that I can sing, but I only can pick 2. So, sorry, Twitter. Tonight I'm gonna be like, okay. Anyways, sorry, again, Twitter. People send me stupid messages. So, tonight I'm gonna be singing 2 different songs for you guys. I want you to comment down at the bottom saying which song you like better. And if you don't like any of them, that's fine. I really don't care, because this is the really big opportunity for me. And, well, I kind of need some info, but anyways. If you want, comment, tell me what you think. It doesn't really matter. But the songs will be up sometime this week. And then I don't need you guys to, but if you want to, you can follow me on Twitter. It's at Jordan's _ Kia. YouTube, Kia Jordan, obviously, because I'm on YouTube. Facebook, just search Kia Marie Jordan. It's my first Facebook. I have 2. Kia Marie Jordan, and my second one is Jessie Marie Jordan. So you can add me or follow me on both of them. I don't have the stuff down right now. I'm getting to that. I'm not very computer smart right now. But anyways, so that's the big breakthrough. I really would appreciate you guys telling me what you think about it, okay? And I'm signing out.